Are you an entrepreneur, marketer, or small business owner constantly battling with fragmented tools, soaring costs, and technical complexities? Imagine a single powerful platform that eliminates these hurdles, empowering you to build, create, and innovate with unprecedented ease. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking solution designed to streamline your entire digital operation. This isn't just another tool. It's your comprehensive ecosystem for building unlimited landing pages, crafting compelling videos, and even generating custom software, all from one intuitive dashboard. First, let's explore the robust Page Builder, a cornerstone for any successful online venture. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly create an unlimited array of high-converting pages for sales letters, affiliate offers, lead capture, and product launches. This powerful feature is perfect for marketers needing rapid deployment of campaigns or small businesses establishing a professional online footprint. The platform comes preloaded with an extensive library of professionally designed, ready-made templates. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to tailor them instantly to your brand's aesthetic and messaging. Forget about coding or needing additional design software. Everything you need is integrated for a seamless experience. Entrepreneurs can launch new ideas faster, while affiliates can quickly adapt offers to maximize conversions. Next, we unveil the built-in Video Creator, a game-changer for engaging your audience. This feature allows you to generate high-definition videos, complete with professional templates and dynamic voiceovers. You can produce captivating promotional videos, informative explainer videos, or persuasive video sales letters that resonate deeply with your target market. These professionally crafted videos are instantly ready for distribution across major platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or directly embedded onto your landing pages. For marketers, this means higher engagement rates and improved campaign performance. Small businesses can now create compelling visual content without the expense of external video production teams, enhancing their brand storytelling. Now, for a truly exciting innovation, the platform's unique software generator. This groundbreaking tool empowers you to create your very own unique software tools directly from your browser, without any coding knowledge. This capability is a significant advantage for entrepreneurs looking to diversify their offerings or marketers seeking unique lead magnets. You don't need to be a developer. The intuitive generator handles all the complex programming for you. This opens up incredible opportunities to offer valuable tools as bonuses, rapidly grow your email list, or even launch and sell your own proprietary software products. Imagine the competitive edge this provides, allowing you to stand out in a crowded marketplace. What truly sets this software apart is its unparalleled integration of page building, video creation, and software generation into a single, cohesive platform. This comprehensive approach is significantly faster, simpler, and far more affordable than managing multiple disparate tools. It eliminates the common frustrations of compatibility issues and fragmented workflows. This integrated solution is meticulously designed for affiliate marketers seeking efficiency, coaches aiming to scale their programs, small businesses striving for a professional online presence, and any entrepreneur looking to build a robust digital footprint without technical headaches. It consolidates your essential business operations, saving you time, money, and mental energy. After extensive testing, our findings confirm the platform's exceptional value. The primary advantage is its remarkable ease of use, making it accessible even for complete beginners. It dramatically saves time and resources by replacing multiple expensive, standalone tools, offering a superior return on investment. The ability to instantly create digital products like videos and custom software is a powerful differentiator. Furthermore, the inclusion of proven-to-convert templates for sales pages and video scripts provides a significant head start for any campaign. While the all-in-one nature might initially present a slight learning curve due to its comprehensive features, users quickly find the interface intuitive and efficient. This minor initial adjustment is a small price to pay for such extensive capabilities. Overall, this platform unequivocally delivers on its promise to simplify and accelerate your online business growth. It makes building your digital empire easier, faster, and substantially more affordable. If you are serious about creating high-converting landing pages, engaging videos, and even developing your own unique software products, this tool is an indispensable asset. Don't let fragmented tools and technical barriers hold your business back any longer. Take control of your digital destiny today. Click the link in the description below to explore this powerful platform and unlock its full potential for your business. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, like this video to support our content, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs who deserve to thrive.